What day is it, Manny?
Aldi.
Aldi day. Ooh, they got a lot of Christmas tree cakes here and brownies.
Brownies?
Yeah. Now, we didn't come last week, so all the last week stuff should be right here. They had a lot of gingerbread houses. They're $8.49. Gingerbread village. Gingerbread house.
And some candy cakes. Like the one that I'm eating right now.
Rice Krispie Treat stocking kit. Those are cute. Or holiday house kit. They got some Christmas fruit snacks.
And
Mug toppers. Yeah, those are always cute. They have Christmas popcorn, caramel corn. Yeah, zebra popcorn and kettle corn. Those are $8.99. And Christmas pasta.
What are those things called? Flamingos.
Oh yeah, it's got a flamingo on it, huh? Winter Wonderland.
There's some
Got
cereal.
Sugar cookie toast crunch or gingerbread toast crunch. They're $3.92. They got the holiday tortilla chips for $2.69.
Why are they green and red?
Because they're holiday.
Oh.
A lot of toys. It's a paint your own nutcracker. Those are cute. They're $4.99. They got some wireless headphones for $12.99. Bluetooth speaker, $9.99. The cozy wearable blanket, it's $14.99. They got green, blue, red, gray. Look, they got some jammies. Rudolph, Mickey, they're $9.99. And these are just the pajama pants. I don't know, I don't see Santa on there. Squishmallow slippers for $9.99. These were $5 on the Black Friday thing, I think, at Walmart. Some new candles, holiday berries, ginger snap cookie, alpine forest, and the candles around the world, Tokyo, Sydney, and Paris. They got these bigger blankets this time for $9.99. Those are pretty. Christmas themed waffle makers. This is the gingerbread man one that we have. They're $6.99. They have Christmas tree and snowflakes too. All sorts of different color French press. $14.99, huh? Oh yeah, you see those plates? Those are pretty. Sleep pants. I can't remember how much these were. They usually have a really good deal on these. They make good Christmas presents for men and teenage boys. I don't see the price though. I can't remember how much they were. A 5-foot flocked alpine tree, $39.99. Lots of wrapping paper. How much is their wrapping paper? $2.49. That's a pretty good deal.
That's for Christmas.
Scissor set, $3.99. We need some of those. These are cute stickers. Look, me, there's a dinosaur one. It's a Christmas dinosaur. They have these gift tags too. They're $1.99. We need some salsa for the holiday chips we got. Let's see. This pineapple. We got mild, medium. There we go. Puff pastry Christmas trees. Those are cute. Gingerbread hearts. Gingerbread cookies. Oh, look at this Christmas bark sampler right there. $3.99. That's new. It says the melting snowman or penguin is new, but we've seen those before. I don't see the penguin though, I just see snowman. Here's Daddy some gingerbread socks, Sissy. This bag of oranges is $2.99. That's a good deal. Bananas. And we're gonna get some mango. Aldi has some good mango. Grape tomatoes.
What about that block of cheese? That's
See a block of cheese?
That's already in a block.
Oh yeah, you like those, huh? Easy to just grab, right?
Yeah. Just grab it and just throw it in your mouth.
Yeah. We need some mozzarella cheese. I need 2 cans of these buttermilk biscuits. Yeah. They have tiramisu.
Oh my God, I can eat those.
And a raspberry mousse dessert.
Nice sweet bread.
They have hot sausage. And we need some Italian sausage. They have applewood. That's hickory. Is this apple? This is maple. There's the applewood right there. Christmas Yo Crunch.
Wait, they're yogurt.
Yeah, they're yogurt.
Good old sleepy snowman.
Oh, yeah. What do we got over here? There's supposed to be some little peppermint ice cream things somewhere. They have these everything Franks in a blanket. They're on clearance for $4.99. Let's try those. We'll give them a try. They have some crepes. They have little pancakes. cranberry donuts and gingerbread donuts and pumpkin. They have frozen cotton candy grapes. Let's try these Kirkwood crispy chicken nuggets. Y'all, we are back home. I'm going to show y'all what we got real quick, and then we're going to make a bubble up pizza bake. So I got pizza sauce for that, 2 cans of jumbo buttermilk biscuits, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. That's all for the bubble up bake. And then we got some Yo Crunch M&Ms and Oreo Christmas ones. Who was wanting to try one of these yogurts? Oh, Tyler wants to try one. Oh, it has little Christmassy scenes on the things, and these are bigger than they used to be. They used to be short, didn't they? They used to be small. You want M&M or Oreo? There you go. Manny, you want M&M or Oreo? We got some of these Everything Franks in a blanket to try. They were on clearance. Oh, we got some salsa, cheese cubes, and 2 blocks of mild cheddar cheese, some maple syrup, chocolate milk. I got these Kirkwood crispy chicken nuggets. They look like they're gonna kind of be like Chick-fil-A's, and I couldn't remember if we've tried any of those from Aldi before. I know we got the Walmart kind that's supposed to be like Chick-fil-A's. I think actually they have a couple of different kinds that are like that, but I couldn't remember if we ever got these from Aldi. So we got those to try, some baked barbecue chips, frozen blueberries, and frozen tropical blend with pineapple, mango, strawberries, and papaya for smoothies. The holiday tortilla chips. Cece wanted to try these cranberry fizz poppies, so we got a couple of those. Some puff pastry Christmas trees. It says buttery puff pastries partially coated with chocolate and white sprinkles, but these up here aren't coated, so some coated and some not. And mainly picked these out as little chocolate figurines, but they're also ornaments. You can hang them up on the tree and then go get you a piece of chocolate off the tree. We got some applewood smoked bacon, 2 pounds of hot sausage, and 1 pound of Italian. Oh, I forgot. I thought about putting some Italian sausage in the bubble up bake, but I think I'll just do pepperoni. We got some cherrywood smoked cheddar to try. We've never tried that kind before. Some oranges, grape tomatoes, mangoes, mixed greens, the green grapes, and bananas. That's all the food stuff. Non-food, we got this pack of scissors, a ginger snap cookie candle, and then I got a small holiday cranberry. They didn't have any of the big ones left, but this is one of my favorites. I've told y'all a bunch of times it smells just like the frosted cranberry candle from Bath & Body Works. And we got this one. It's a little around the tree scented candle, orange peel, lemon, and musk. Use the sled as a tree decoration. Oh, you can hang this. That's cute. You can hang it up as an ornament. It says touch to smell right here. Oh, that smells pretty good. And then we got a couple of the paint your own nutcrackers and some laundry detergent. And that's it. They were supposed to have some little peppermint, I think gingerbread, and sugar cookie of those little bitty ice cream bites, you know, that have the dough around them and it's ice cream inside, but ours didn't have those, so I was really looking forward to taste testing one of those peppermint ones. All right, we'll get all this put up and then we'll make this bubble up bake. Gonna spray this 9x13 casserole dish with some cooking spray.
I'm frying a piece of this cheese.
Okay. Then we're gonna put the biscuits in here. So we just cut them into 4s and spread them all over the casserole dish. The fun thing about bubble up bakes is you can do whatever you want to do. Especially with the pizza ones. You can have whatever toppings you want to add. I think we just need 1 can of biscuits. Now we take our pizza sauce and pour over the top. We're gonna put this whole jar. Make sure we coat our biscuit pieces with it. Now we put mozzarella cheese on top.
Tastes good and they're super fast to eat.
And the pepperoni. I got this Sims thick sliced pepperoni this time from Aldi. The kids don't really love their other smaller packs. I can't remember. Mama Cozy's, I think. They don't like those pepperoni too good. And that's it. We're just going to put this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until the biscuits are cooked through and the cheese is getting all bubbly. Oh, and I've got the oven at 350. So easy, so good.